Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In 1 minute, one question answer series. Our today's question is 25 mm to 25 mm P number 1 coupon was welded entirely by the SMAW process during PQT procedure qualification test. What will be the thickness qualification range minimum, that is minimum qualified thickness, and maximum qualified thickness of the qualified WPS? So basically you are conducting a PQT, that is procedure qualification test, and the motive of a PQT is to qualify the WPS. Now that qualification has been done on a 25 mm to 25 mm thick plate P number 1. And the question is, what will be the qualification range of the WPS? So if you are doing a PQR on a 25 mm thick plate, what will be the qualification range of the WPS? Means that WPS will be valid for minimum how much thickness and for maximum how much thickness. So again, this is a very straightforward question, and the correct answer is 5 mm to 50 mm. For 25 mm, the minimum will be 5 mm and the maximum will be 2T, and 2T is nothing but 50. So the correct answer is 5 mm to 50 mm. So the answer will be 5 between 5 mm to 50 mm. Something okay. Here the correct answer I should write it as not yes but option 1, 5 mm to 50 mm. So this is option 1. Please read it as option 1. And where this has been given? See, this has been given in ASME section 9, table QW 451.1. So you need to refer this table to understand the qualification range of the WPS. So as per table QW 451.1, for a 25 mm test coupon, the minimum qualified thickness will be 5 mm and the maximum qualified thickness will be 2T, that is 50 mm. Friends, I would request you to please join my channel. If you have not done it yet, please join my channel to support me. And we have come to an end of our today's video. Please give your valuable feedback and suggestions. Thank you very much.